In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add your Twitch to Discord account. You can simply add your Twitch channel to your Discord in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Discord. On your profile page, select this option of connections. Then tap on the add button on your upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down onto the second last option of Twitch, which is just right here. You will have to enter in your username and password to get started. Follow up the procedure and then your Twitch account will get added to your Discord successfully. That's how easy it is to simply add your Twitch account to your Discord. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.